The ratio of measures of two supplementary angles is 3 to 2. Find the measures of the angles. First, what are supplementary angles? Two angles are supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So, for example, if we have here something like this, these two angles are supplementary angles. So if I write that this is x degrees, this angle, so that will be 180 degrees minus x degrees. So we have given that the measures of two supplementary angles, so measure of these two angles is 3 to 2. So I can write that 3 to 2 is equal x, let's forget about degrees, to 180 minus x. We have proportion, one unknown, so first I will cross multiply 3 times 180 minus x. This is equal to 2 times x. First we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 3. So 3 times 180. So this is 540 minus 3 times x is equal to x. Now I will move negative 3x to the right. So we have on the left only 540 is equal 2x will be plus 3x. So 540 is equal to x plus 3x is 5x. Now we will divide by 5 both sides. 5 and 5 we will reduce, and we have that x is equal 108. So we have the measure of this angle. This angle x has 180 degrees. So to find the second, we have to subtract from 180 degrees 108 degrees. So this angle is 108 degrees, and now that angle will be 180 minus x is 108 degrees, of course. So this is equal 72 degrees. We found these two supplementary angles. First is 108 degrees and the second is 72 degrees. This is my solution.